Start with practice set 9.2 example number 5. Srimati Deepanjali purchased the house for rupees 7,50,000 from Srimati Leela Ben through an agent. Agent had charged 2% brokerage from both of them. Then you have to find out the brokerage paid by the Leela Ben, brokerage paid by the Deepanjali, selling cost of the house for the Leela Ben, and purchasing cost for the house for the Deepanjali. With these four things you have to find out. This is the house. The cost of the house is 7,50,000 rupees. Then this Leela Ben is selling the house. This Deepanjali is purchasing the house. This 7,50,000 is the selling price for the Leela Ben, and this 7,50,000 is the purchasing cost for the Deepanjali. And this Leela Ben is paying the 2% brokerage. Same brokerage is paying the Deepanjali to the commission agent or the broker 2% of the purchasing cost. So you have to say that brokerage is equal to 2% of the selling price. Brokerage is equal to 2% of the purchasing cost. And according to that you have to find out these things. Means that this one is the broker. This broker is collecting the brokerage from the Leela Ben also and from the Deepanjali also. And what is the rate of the brokerage? Rate of brokerage is the 2% of the selling price or 2% of the purchasing price. So step by step you have to solve the example. So I will say that brokerage paid by the Leela Ben is equal to 2% of the selling cost. Then I will say that 2% means 2 upon 100 multiplied by selling cost is 7,50,000. So you have to strike these two zeros, and 2 multiplied by 7,500 is equal to 15,000. Means this brokerage paid by the Leela Ben is equal to 15,000. Then you have to find out the selling cost of the house for the Leela Ben. After selling the house, how much amount will come in the hands of the Leela Ben, that you have to find out. Then from the selling cost you have to subtract this brokerage. That time whatever be the amount will come in the hands of the Leela Ben, that you will get. So selling cost of the house for the Leela Ben is equal to selling price minus commission. Selling price is 7,50,000 minus 15,000 is equal to 7,35,000 rupees. While selling you have to subtract the brokerage, and while purchasing you have to add the brokerage. So brokerage paid by the Deepanjali is equal to 2% of the purchasing cost. 2 upon 100. 2% means 2 upon 100 multiplied by 7,50,000. You have to strike the two zeros. Is equal to 2 multiplied by 7,500 is equal to 15,000 will come. And purchasing cost for the Deepanjali you have to find out. At that time purchasing cost means she has to pay this also and this also. So that time you have to say that purchasing cost plus brokerage is equal to purchasing cost of the Deepanjali. Then I will say that 7,50,000 plus 15,000 is equal to 7,65,000. So in this way you have to find the purchasing cost for the Deepanjali and the selling cost for the Leela Ben, and you have to solve the example. I think you understand all these things. Only one thing you have to keep in your mind: while purchasing you have to add the brokerage, while selling you have to subtract the brokerage. Thank you.